Is Zorin OS a $50 scam? I tested it out to see if it's worth it, and here's what happened. When I first downloaded Zorin OS, I went in expecting either a super polished Windows alternative or a flashy Linux distro hiding behind the paywall. The installation process was surprisingly simple. You download the ISO, use a tool like Balena Extra or Rufus to flash it into a USB, boot your PC from that USB, and follow the on screen steps. Even if you've never installed an operating system before, Zorin guides you through everything with clear buttons and no confusing tech jargon. Within minutes, I was on the desktop, and honestly, the interface looks clean, modern, and extremely familiar, almost like Windows but smoother. Everything from connecting to Wi Fi to updating the system felt effortless. Then comes the big question, why is there a $50 Pro version? After testing both the free Core edition and the paid Pro one, the biggest difference is the extra layouts, themes, and the professional design collection that makes your system look like Windows 11, Mac OS, or even old school Windows depending on your vibe. You also get more pre installed productivity apps and customer support. But here's the thing, the free version already runs fast, stable, and feature packed, so most people honestly won't need a Pro upgrade unless they want the extra looks or prefer having everything pre configured. Performance wise, Zorin is lightweight, apps launch quickly, the animations are smooth, and it's great for reviving older laptops. I didn't run into crashes or weird bugs, and basic tasks like browsing, editing documents, and installing apps through their software center were seamless. So, is Zorin OS a $50 scam? After spending time with it, the answer is no, it's not a scam. The Pro version is more like a convenience bundle for people who want a premium looking setup right away, but the free version is strong enough that you don't have to spend anything to enjoy Zorin. If you want a Windows like system without the lag, bloat, or the constant updates nagging you, Zorin OS, especially the free edition, is actually one of the cleanest experiences you can get.